Jilly and Jenny went shopping and bought one dress each. And the dresses cost a lot. When they went home, Jenny accidentally tore her dress when she was putting it on. She looked online and found someone to repair it. However, when she tried it on again, she decided she didn't like it and she sold it. What has just happened? Jilly and Jenny have bought 2 dresses and they have cost a lot. Jenny has accidentally torn her dress. She has found someone online to repair it. However, she has sold it because when she tried it on again, she didn't like it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned some irregular verbs today, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.